Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nabila Aisyah binti Muhammad Shukri. My metric number HB230048. This video is for subject research method, assignment number 3, methodology, lecture by Dr. Mahmood Hussein. My title is Improving Employability Skill in the Term of Social and Oral Communication Among TVET Students in Malaysia. Introduction. TVET programs in Malaysia equip students with valuable technical techniques. However, employers often identify a gap in the area of soft skill, particularly social and oral communication. This can hinder graduates' employability despite their technical proficiency. This introduction highlights the importance of social and oral communication skill for TVET graduates in Malaysia. It acknowledges the existing focus on technical training but emphasizes the needs to bring the gap in communication skill to enhance employability. For the research design, I will do in two ways, which is qualitative data and also quantitative data. Which is the qualitative data, we more in a focus group and also in-depth interview with the employers to understand their expectation and identify specific communication skill they value in the TVET graduates. For the quantitative data, which is we do a survey that distribute to students to assess the self-perceived communication skill, and also we do a standardized test to objectively measure student communication skill before and after the intervention implemented as a part of the research. There are three research questions which I had come out in this research. Which is the number one is what are the perceived strengths and weaknesses of TVET students' social and oral communication skill. Number two, what are the specific communication skill valued by employer in the Malaysian job market relevance to graduate students. And also the number three is how can TVET program be improved by specifically develop social and oral communication skill among students. Population and sampling. The target population of for this research would be all TVET students currently enrolled in program relevant to the study. This could be narrowed down based on specific research question, which is nationwide study, state specific study, and also program specific study. We also developed some of sampling technique, which includes simple random sampling, stratified random sampling, and also cluster sampling. As a sample size, the ideal sample size depends on several factors, including desired level of confidence, effect size, and also available resources. For the research instrument, you also divide by two specific category, which is qualitative instrument and also quantitative instrument. For the qualitative instrument, we use focus group and also in-depth interview and also in-depth information from people on the certain subject. And for the quantitative instruments, we use survey and also standardized tests, which is the assessment instrument that are designed to examine a particular skill or body of knowledge. As the additional consideration, we also have to make sure that pilot testing and translation and also data analysis is parallel to the research. For the research procedure, it's divided to 4 stages, which is the first one is preparation. The preparation includes literature review, develop research question, ethical approval, and also develop research instrument. Stage number 2 is data collection, which is participant recruitment, informed consent, and also data collection. Stage 3 is data analysis, which is qualitative data analysis and quantitative data analysis. Stage number 4 is reporting, which is write a research report that includes section of introduction and literature review, methodology, result, discussion, and also conclusions. And the last step of stage 4 is disseminated finding, which is share the research finding with relevant stakeholder through presentation and publication in academic journal or reports to TVET institution or policy makers. For data collection procedure, they are also divided into phases, which is 3 phases. The first phase is participant recruitment. Phase 2 is qualitative data collection, and the third phase is quantitative data collection. For data analysis procedure, it also divided by 2, which is qualitative data analysis and also quantitative data analysis. The first one, qualitative data analysis, is about focus group and also interview, and quantitative data analysis is about survey and also tests. For the research ethic, one of the most important things to keep in mind while writing research ethic is informed consent, which is it is imperative and ethical to obtain written informed permission from all participants prior to their involvement in any research activities. The consent form out to provide a following explanation, like the purpose and procedure of the research, the potential risks and benefits, the right to withdraw from the research at any time with a penalty, how participate confidentially with the maintained and voluntary nature of participation. It also involves a confidential and privacy, respect for participants, benefit and risk, and also ethical review. The expected outcome also divided by 4 categories, which is for student, for educator and TVET institution, for the policymaker. Not to forget for the job market, because they are also important in the future. As a summary, technical expertise is essential for TVET graduates, but effective oral and interpersonal communication skills are also necessary for success in the workplace. This research has highlighted the existing gap in this skill set and its negative impact on employability. This paradigm enables employers' demands and student limits in communication skills to be truly analyzed, which is then help educators create target intervention and improve curriculums. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching and listening.